Well, good day, doctor. It's James Whillans here from LifeWorks Family Chiropractic. I'm the founder and clinic director here, and hopefully you found this video because we are looking to add associates and independent contractors to our team. So maybe that'll be you. I know if I was looking for a position, I'd want to know about the office, I'd want to meet some of the people, learn a bit about it, long before I decided if that was somewhere I wanted to apply. So this video is going to give you a little tour, going to meet us and learn a bit more about the office. So here we are, we're in beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia. For those of you who don't know and you haven't visited potentially Kelowna, it's a beautiful, one of the most amazing parts of Canada. We have fantastic weather, stays pretty mild in the winter. We have beautiful sunny days like today. Look at the blue skies. Oh, I guess I have to go like that. We got blue skies all around. We've got, you can see all the mountains all around us here. This is our parking lot, obviously, so it's just a parking lot, but Kelowna, we've got world-class skiing. There's about 4 or 5 amazing ski hills that are close by. Big White is about an hour. It's one of the most popular. We have lakes everywhere. Okanagan Lake is about 5 minutes in that direction right over there. So we can go boating and stand-up paddle boarding. There's tons of mountain biking. There's wineries. There's, of course, hiking. Everything you can want to do is here. It's an amazing place. A lot of people have very healthy, active lifestyle is very common here in Kelowna, so it's really an amazing place to live, great place to raise a family. So that's a little bit about Kelowna. Now this is our office, you can see behind me. Right now we're doing our family fun and health event. So year-round we do different events every few months. In the summer we do a family event and we focus on children's health, family health. So we're giving frozen yogurt. There's a little frozen yogurt truck there. So our patients are getting frozen yogurt today. And let's go inside. We'll have a little look around. We're just about to open, so it's not too busy, but we'll have a look around and we'll meet some of the team. All right, here's the front desk. This is Nicole and Leisha, 2 of our team members. Say hello.
Hello.
All right. This is the adjusting area right over here. Got Dr. Jeff is adjusting over on the left here.
We'll do this for a few weeks. And if you
This is the adjusting area right over here.
But we want to change it up.
Got some more adjusting area right over here. Is Dr. Vincenzo doing some adjustments there? Right on. This is our lecture area. This is where we do our health classes. So every 2 weeks we do a health class that is pretty much mandatory. We usually get between 10 and 30 patients out, and we'll have guests, and they're learning about, of course, chiropractic and how to get the best results, the most long-lasting results. This is one of our report rooms in here where we do report of findings. We have numerous private rooms as well as obviously the semi-open adjusting area there. New patients would arrive at the front. They come down this hallway, and then we have 2 exam rooms. So exam room number 1, exam room number 2. These are pretty much matching exam rooms, and then a new patient will go across the hall after their exam. We would do computerized nerve scans. So we have CLA technology, thermal scan, EMG, and heart rate variability, which gives us the core score. That score out of 100 the patients get to see what their neurological health is like. If they need x-rays and it's necessary, then we have x-ray right over here. And then, let's see, in the back here we have a staff room. It's probably messy. We've been using a lot of storage for it, but this is where we've got a little board room. We've got our core values, probably important to you. Our core values focus on commitment and vision to our vision and goals, positivity and support for our teammates, love and excellence for our patients, fun and joy is our culture. So those are our core values. Here we're just brainstorming our family event we just had. We've got storage, we've got a little kitchenette so you can make lunch, keep everything cold in there. So this is our team area. Oh, we've got laundry. We have a shower, so if you want to, that's for any of our team. If you want to bike to work, you can jump in the shower there. And over here, this is the back hall where we've got 3 washrooms, team washroom, patient washrooms. We have laser therapy in this room. We have Derek, a massage therapist and healer, who uses that room. We have our admin room, and here we are back at the front desk. All right, so that was a quick tour of the office. And I guess as far as our culture, one of the most important things that you can know about us is that we really take our chiropractic care very seriously for our patients, but we don't take ourselves seriously. We have a lot of fun. We do team building events. A couple months ago, I took the team out on a helicopter tour around the Okanagan. We're regularly doing things as a fun as a team. We just really enjoy helping patients. We love doing it as a team. We take the actual care very seriously. We're very committed to high quality chiropractic care, focusing on the detection and reduction of vertebral subluxation. And we focus on a wellness and corrective model in our office. And we see a lot of families, a lot of kids, people of all ages. And we absolutely have a blast trying to help as many people as we can in our lifetimes. That's our mission. So if that resonates with you, if you want to know more about our office and you're interested in the positions that we're hiring for, please do contact us, follow through whatever page that you're on here, get a hold of us, let's chat on the phone to start with, and let's see if it's a good fit for you. Okay, look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye-bye.